Hi, Highland Kids Check-in team. We've got an update to our check-in system that I think you're going to love. It looks much nicer and it eliminates the need for you to go into the computer closet to set up the printer. Here's a video to help you find your way around the new setup. The first thing you'll need to do is launch the F1 Check-in app on the iPads. A printer error message will come up. You can ignore that, just hit OK. Then enter in the activity code. All of the activity codes will stay the same. Now, set up the printer by going to the gear in the upper right-hand corner, set default printer, select printer, and you're going to want to choose the check-in printer with the bullseye every time. Great! Next, print test page, just to make sure it's really working. Fantastic. Then just click back to the screen and you're ready to get started. Let's run a test. As you type in the family's name, a list of families with those letters in their names will pop up. So as you see here, we have lots of options. Let's go ahead and check in Dad and Mom Testing's family. We'll check in first testing, second testing, and we'll add an individual to the household too. So here we go, adding an individual to the household. You can add people as guests. So first name will be Mike, and last name will be Friend. You'll need to put in a birthday for that individual. So there we go. And then select Friend of Family. Make sure that you put in the family's call number. And again, make sure that any allergies or special instructions that we need to know, like no nuts. Perfect. And finish. Oops, I forgot to check a gender. So there we go. He's saved and we're ready to add him in. Select first testing, second testing, and Mike Friend, and let's go through the check-in process for them. As you see, it looks very similar to what you're used to, and you can go through, double check to make sure they're in the right grades and right rooms. There's Mike, yep, 5th grade, perfect. And now if you need to print an item tag for someone, you can print that here, or you can do it as you're going along. As you can see, it still takes a little time to print sometimes, but with the new system, it lets you know that it's printing instead of just staring blankly back at you. Then you're completed and ready to go on to the next family. If a new family comes, it's very similar to the old system. You have to search for their last name, and if they're not on the list, then add new household in the lower right corner. Put in the first name of the parent and the last name of the parent. You do have to add the parent's birth date in the new system. Gender, household position, and you don't have to put the parent's call number in unless you would like to. Then hit save and add next member. Now you'll be adding in the child or children, daughter testing, put the birthday in. Make sure that you put the family call number in. And then hit finish. Great, now you can check daughter in. Make sure that, yes, she's in 3rd grade, and then move along. Complete and print. The rapid check-in feature is very much like our current system as well. It takes you straight to that end page. Just double check those the room assignments to make sure they're headed to the right rooms, and then complete and print. And there you have it. That is the new check-in system. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for all you do.